Mhm.
So, hi everyone. Welcome to the Graduate Student Assembly's Leadership Webinar Series. And today, we're hosting a joint webinar with Graduate Student Assembly and Research and Theory Division. I'm Sagun Giri, Graduate Student Representative to Research and Theory Division. And today, we have with us Dr. Fei Gao, President of the Research and Theory Division and Associate Professor at Bowling Green State University. Welcome, Dr. Gao, and thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Sagun, for the introduction. Today I'm going to share with you some information about Research and Theory Division, and hopefully by the end of the webinar, you'll get a better sense of what Research and Theory Division is focused on, what are the most important activities, and what you can do to be a part of it. We'll first get started with the mission and vision of our Research Theory Division. As you know, when we are conducting research in educational communications and technology, it's important to link research with theory. Sometimes the theory will help us to understand the direction for our research and to better frame our research, and our research will sometimes lead to development of new theory. So those are always two clearly and closely connected ideas and concepts. And the Research Theory Division is a place where you can identify, disseminate, and conduct research related to how research are informed by theory and how research can inform the development of new theory. So I would say this is one of the important mission and of Research and Theory Division is to design, disseminate, and utilize, evaluate research and theory related to educational communication and technology. And we have our vision statement here. We want to foster the development and dissemination of research methodologies and theory in the field. You will see in our important activities, which I'm going to talk about in the next few slides, that we have been doing a couple of things to help foster such kind of activities. And we try to create innovative forums to the dissemination and evaluation of research and theory information to the field. And we also try to work together with AECT and other divisions to develop and provide professional development opportunities for individuals in the field. If you are not quite familiar with Research and Theory Division, there are something that you really want to know. First, Research and Theory Division is one of the largest divisions in AECT, and we have a large number of members who are under our Research and Theory Division. And some of you may already know a few past presidents for our Research and Theory Division also serve as AECT president, like Dr. Michael Grant and Dr. Marcus Childress. So it is definitely a quite influential division in AECT, and every year we offer many different kinds of awards for our scholars, and some of them are graduate students, some of them are faculty members. And here is a list of all the rewards that are offered from Research and Theory Division. And if you want to find more information, you can always click the link I provide here, and you can see what each of the award is about. And surely all of you are encouraged to apply for this award. Usually the deadline is in April. So if you can check out the information now, you may want to keep this information in mind and find out whether you have anything to submit for these awards. And in addition to those awards and other different kind of activities, there are some very important activities we are having in Research and Theory Division. The first one is the professional development webinars. Here I provide some examples of professional development webinars that we offer in the last couple of months. And we do just co-edited, as like a past president and current president work together and co-edited tech trend issue. And the focus is innovative research methodologies in instructional design technology. So if you are interested in having an overview of like different kind of research methodologies that have been used in our field, you may want to check out the Tech Trend Volume 62, number 5. And some other important activities include Early Career Symposium. We basically host Early Career Symposium every year, and we have been doing this for about 10 years. And every year, early career faculty member and graduate students who are in the final stage of completing their degree will apply, and we'll have about 10, usually we'll have about 10, select 10 graduate students and 10 faculty members, and we'll invite faculty mentors to come over and to provide ideas, mentorship to those people who come as mentees. So Early Career Symposium is really a beneficial activity for graduate students who are going to complete their degree, and for early career faculty members, because we'll cover a number of important issues that you guys are facing when you get to this certain stage. And many of them who had in the past participated in the Early Career Symposium told us they benefit a lot, and they started to get more involved in AECT in general, Research and Theory Division specifically, because the experience they gained from the Early Career Symposium. And for every AECT annual convention, we have a future research section. So in future research, you will be able to present for a full hour about your research. So it ensures high visibility, and we also invited discussants who are known in the field to provide valuable comments on your research. So this is a really great opportunity to learn and help others learn about your own research. How to get involved? You might be able to find a few ways to help you get more involved in Research and Theory Division. The first thing you can do is, of course, to submit your presentations to Research and Theory Division, or go to presentations that under the Division of Research and Theory. And I would highly encourage you to go to our board meeting and our member meeting. And you may want to consider whether you want to be a board member too. So if you click the link there, you'll see there are a couple positions on our board, and about half of them are suitable for graduate students. You may want to take a look and consider whether you want to get involved in our Research and Theory Division, just like Sagun. And you'll be able to learn more about Research and Theory Division. And also you can join our Facebook group, where we post all the important announcements and news and events. So you can stay tuned if you are in our Facebook group. Okay, the last thing I want to talk about is the 2018 convention. I hope that we'll have a chance to see you, and if you are interested in getting to know more about research and theory division, or even in serving in the board, you may want to consider participate in one of the following two events. One is the welcome reception. I know most of you, if you go to the AECT convention, you usually go to the welcome convention. So there you can find our research and theory division booth there, and many of our board members will be there too. So you'll get a chance to communicate with us and ask questions and know more about research and theory division. And another event is the Research and Theory Division membership meeting, which is Thursday, October 25th. And this is where we share what we have done over the last year, and we are invite member input on how we can make in research and theory division better. This is a good place and time for you to communicate with our board member and getting to know other members in the research theory division too. So hopefully I can see you guys in the 2018 convention, and I'll be looking forward to meeting you during these two events. Okay, that's the end of my presentation. Thank you again.
Thank you so much, Dr. Gao. So thank you so much. That was a wonderful presentation. And I just have one quick question for you.
Yes.
So when there for new and aspiring members and people who want to try out for research and theory division's upcoming elections, what advice and suggestions do you have? What should they be mindful of, and what are the kind of expectations in terms of responsibilities and roles that you have for upcoming and aspiring leaders?
Okay, thank you for the question, Sagun. I think it would be nice, if you are thinking about trying for leadership position, it would be nice to start with positions that are particularly suitable for graduate students. In research and theory division, for example, members at large, graduate student representative, and some other positions are particularly designed for graduate students to get involved. So if you are not sure which position would be ideal for you, you can come to their board meeting, just like our research and theory division board meeting, our membership meeting, so that you can talk with the president and other board members to find out what they need, and they may provide you suggestions on what are the positions you can try. Also, if you are just thinking about AECT in general, not research and theory division in particular, you can try to volunteer in different divisions to find out the right fit. And it will also help you to build a broader network. But one thing I want to remind you is that there will be an amount of time you need to consider to invest if you want to get involved in the leadership, in some of the leadership decisions, and you are expected to contribute ideas actively so that others will benefit from your ideas. And this is where you get a chance to influence other people. So I would love to see more graduate students come to us and try the positions or run for different positions in our research and theory division. Thank you
so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Gao, and thank you so much again for your time. We hope to see you at the conference, and thank you so much.
Okay, you are welcome. Thank you, Sagun.